Alright, today the Frugal Babies and I are doing our first product review. Yeah. And we hypothesized that we're going to like this product. We have the Dunkin Hines Perfect Size for One cake mix that you make in a mug. It actually has 4 pouches in it. I did not realize that till recently. 4 mugs worth of cake. And this was free with coupons. When this product first came out, there were a lot of coupons and a lot of sales. So, we're going to give it a try. You girls, you have your mugs?
Yeah!
Alright, let's open it up. All you do is empty the powder into your mug, add 3 tablespoons of water, and then microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. That sounds convenient. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, we're going to carefully pour the packet in. Alright, then our 3 tablespoons of water. And we'll mix with our little mini whisk. May I have that for a moment? Thank you. Oh, please don't make faces. The directions say that you also could use 3 tablespoons of milk. I thought it would be interesting to use 3 tablespoons of coffee to make it kind of a mocha thing, but not for them, for me. I think while Autumn's is cooking in the microwave, Neve can stir hers. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Free cake. While Neve is stirring and while Autumn's is cooking, we will dance. Alright, cake number 1 is ready to come out. Cake number 2 is going in. That is so interesting. Hold on, let me get this going. Mug will be hot. Very hot to the touch. Luckily the handle is not. Would you like to see it? It's like a little poofed up cake. Would you like to see it? Don't do that. Hot, 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 hot. Let me. Hot. Ah, don't touch. Hot. Hot. Alright. Let's assess the odor, the fragrance. Give it a sniff.
Let me sniff.
Smells chocolatey. Give a snifferoo.
Let's do the dance. Let's do a little dance while we're waiting.
Alright, let's do a little dance. Number 2 is ready. Smells an awful lot like number 1.
Can I see what mine looks like?
It's really hot. Don't touch.
Alright,
Alright, what do you think of the smell? It smells chocolatey, but not super fabulous chocolatey. For the taste test. Alright, girls, dig in. Blow on it to make sure it's not too hot. It's kind of light and fluffy.
Love it.
You love it? It's not as good as Mommy's homemade cake, right?
No, I love it. It's amazing.
Evie, what do you think of it?
I like it.
You do like it? Is it better than Mommy's homemade chocolate cake? No, it's not. I make amazing chocolate cake.
I like this.
I make amazing chocolate cake. You like this, though? Do you like it because it's in a mug and it's cute and it was really, really fast? It was incredibly fast, incredibly convenient, kind of pricey if you're not getting it free with coupons. I would never, ever buy this.
I love how it smells. And you know what?
It doesn't smell that great. You really think that smells great? Do you?
Ah.
Alright, how was the texture of the cake? I don't really want it because, you know, middle-aged, calorie, sugar, yeah, the butt's getting bigger, you know what I'm saying. Oh! I'll show you the texture. It's pretty fluffy and cake-like because it's cake. So there, see, and cake, and hot, very hot. The outside of the mug, very, very hot. All right, girls, so you vote yes on that?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay. All right, Frugal Daddy's coming in for a taste. Let's give him a taste. It's cake in a mug. Dunkin Hines, quickie. We got it completely free. Couponing, completely free. You get a little packet, put it in the mug, 3 tablespoons water, plus a little extra dribble of water because our tablespoons weren't big enough. Stir, microwave for 70 seconds. All right, we're doing a product review. It would be nice if the reviewers had a comment. Clearly, they don't understand how this works.
I have to keep eating it until I'm satisfied.
Do you feel like you really know what it tastes like?
Yes, I need some of Autumn's. It might be
different. Share when the world is watching.
Yeah. Oh my God, that is.
Is it really good?
It tastes exactly like. You know what's weird is, you don't expect to taste chocolate cake in a cup, like a coffee mug.
Well, we don't because we're not hipsters and we've never done this before. This is a thing. People do this. Cake in a mug.
That is a chocolate cake.
It's amazing. We recommend it.
I want to make one.
They're satisfied with the chocolatiness of the chocolatey cake.
Do they have like French vanilla or?
There's vanilla. Yeah, we have a vanilla one.
Yo, I mean.
Daddy wants vanilla.
Not yo.
They're all loving it so much. We're going to do another. We're going to try the vanilla now. I know, bonus material for you. All right, vanilla cake mix into the pretty mug for Daddy. Add our 3 tablespoons of water and we'll stir it up. This is the vanilla bean flavor. Stir, stir, stir. Smells like vanilla cake mix. And it looks like vanilla cake mix. Again, I say 1 minute and 10 seconds, and that would be 70 seconds. And that's 300 calories per mini cake in your mug.
250.
Oh, 250 for the vanilla cake, 300 for the chocolate cake. So I think with that vanilla at 250, I bet you could find a way to work that into your Weight Watchers plan. I bet you could. Only touch the mug by the handle.
Yep.
You're telling me I can eat this right now?
I'm telling you it's going to be hot. What I'm telling you is you can eat that hot cake right now, but it's probably really hot. First we have to assess the aroma, then we taste it and we discuss texture. This is professional product review, people.
Share also.
I do not like the smell of these. I think it just smells like a fake vanilla cake. All right, give it a sniff. Give it a sniff. Oh, he's getting out Nutella. That is not on your Weight Watchers program. Can you just assess the product without adding anything to it? It has to be an accurate assessment. No Nutella. Do you like it better than the chocolate?
Yes.
You're a vanilla kind of person.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure.
I bet it's just very plain tasting. There's the texture. I do not like that smell. Do you like the vanilla better or the chocolate better?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And what do you think of the texture? Like, is it light and fluffy and cakey?
Yeah.
Yes, it's cakey. All right, so that's thumbs up all around for the Dunkin Hines little pouches of cake mix to make in a mug, adding only water and using your microwave. This would be very good for college kids if they have access to a microwave, right, in their dorm. If it's the middle of the night and they feel the need for cake and they're not able to access it through the College Dining Association plan.
The problem with cake is, you make a big cake and then you have to eat it because it goes bad. This doesn't go bad.
Have you ever had cake go bad in your life? Have we ever had a cake
No, but I have to eat a whole cake.
Yeah, in a day, because cake goes bad in a day.
Right.
Just like when we get Oreos. Oh yeah, I had to eat them. They were going bad.
That's why this is portion control at its finest.
That's like I had to eat up the ice cream because it was going bad.
Right.
The day I bought it. Now you don't have to eat an entire cake because you can make a single serving. Thumbs up. You all done?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.